In the engine compartment you will see another fuse box, to remove which you have to press on these tabs and then the cover will come up. And this is how this one looks like. And again guys, we have the diagram on the other side of the cover. And there's one more box right here which can be opened by pulling these away from the box, and there are two more on this side which will allow you guys to open this cover. And this will have more fuses inside and different relays and connectors. And right here I'll try to show you guys the description of the fuses, but it's hard to do. I will also try to leave you a link in the description. Now I'm going to close this one and this cover.